What is turtle? A turtle is a point-sized cursor that we can move around using Python programming language. It is used to make drawings in AI Connect. It can also be modified in different ways to bring multiple effects, thereby making a graphical design. It follows a written code and draws wherever it moves. A turtle can design by moving backward or forward with number of steps to draw, thereby making a shape. A turtle can turn or move sideways by providing angles. A turtle can be lifted up while moving, so it does not draw for some distance to create gaps in the drawing. A turtle can change color to draw any multicolored graphic design. Creating a turtle. In order to create turtle, we need a variable. So the first thing we will do is to open up a new activity and create a new variable. To create a new variable, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Create Variable. Create Variable, block from the Variables category and name your variable anything. Let us name it T. Step 2. Drag out Set T to block from the Variable category. Step 3. Go to Draw then Turtles block category and drag out the Create New Turtle block to the script area. Step 4. Attach it to the Set T block in the script area. From here on, the turtle is created and more turtle blocks can be used to control it.